when you get fire starting down really right, it should be like lighting a fuse. And the fire is your resultant, air quotes, explosion. It's about using the right materials. It's about using good dry fuels. It's about material sizing. And it's about configuration and heat and airflow. I've watched people struggle for hours trying to start a fire. And you can see that I literally lit the fuse to this fire, and I don't know, what are we, a minute in, if that, and we already have larger fuels catching, good airflow, good heat production, and this will continue. And I've set the intakes on the stove here for good airflow and takeoff. And we've got a reasonable amount of fuel and heat burning, going. So, listen. Taking right off. Sounds like a diesel freight train engine just chuffing up to speed. That's because they use the right materials in the right sequence and the right configuration. And we'll just open this again real quick, let you have a look at where we're at now. Fully involved. Interesting thing to note, in regenerative agriculture, we talk about building fertility fires. Same concepts apply, different materials and processes, but same concepts. If you understand soil health, soil biology, mulches, moisture, all these little pieces, these subtle pieces that come together to form the regenerative agricultural system, you can take soils that are nearly dead, and much faster than you would think, you can bring those soils back alive, bring health and vitality into them, and make them grow really healthy, happy crops. It's really much easier than you think it is. Go out and start your own fertility fire. Put in a garden. Get a couple of pots and do potted plants on your porch or in your kitchen. You'd be amazed the little subtle things that you'll pick up in doing that. And it'll connect you with nature a little bit more. And I think as humans, it's probably not a bad idea for us to get a little more connected with nature. I hope you found this video interesting or informative. Thanks for watching. Pharmacy Seeds Network.